Hi, Lee Martin here from TOOJAYS Training, and welcome to our HR and L&D Resource Centre. Here on this site you'll be able to get access to our range of self-development workbooks, leadership guides, coaching guides, pre-written training courses and a variety of HR templates and documents. All of our resources are available in downloadable PDF format, making it easy to access them and to print them off as required. All of our materials have been developed and designed by CIPD experts, making you comfortable and confident that the content that you're going to receive is accurate, up to date, and going to add value to you and to your respective clients and customers. So take a look around the website and have a look at the product range we have available. I'm hoping you'll find something that's of interest to you there. Please leave some feedback in terms of the content and the products as well. And if you'd like some more information about TOOJAYS services, then do take a look at the website www.toojays.co.uk. Look forward to speaking to you soon.